कर सके। तो ये हमारा फ्रंट एंड है, जहां से हम अकाउंटिंग में जाके फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग का जो पहला सेगमेंट है चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स का, वो हमने कॉन्फ़िगर करना है। और चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स ही आपके जीएल बनते हैं, तो उसका हमने बनाना किस तरह, उसका सेटअप किस तरह करना है, वो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से करना है। अब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में ये हमारा बेसिकली चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट का एक सेटअप है। ये एक कंपनी कोड है, उसका हमने सेटअप बनाया है, तो वैसे ही हम अभी अपना जाके बनाएंगे। इनका देख लेते हैं कैसा बना हुआ है। इसका हम डबल क्लिक अगर इसको कर दें, ओके, this is our withholding tax. So let's go and check our configuration. Our configuration starts from SPRO. You can see the transaction code here. Okay, SPRO. Now this is the back end face of the configuration. Enterprise structure. This is the first node where we have to define the entire structure of the company, starting from financial accounting, define company. Okay, now over here, we will define the mother company we discussed. For example, mother company can be, let's say, higher, higher industries, higher industries. Let's say this is regionally based out of Riyadh. Riyadh, country. Country is KSA, or let's see, English is the language, currency will be USD. Okay, United States dollars. Country, Kuwait. Saudi Arabia. Save. Now this is, I'm going to save the configuration nodes in higher FIMM config. Okay, this is our first config, first node that has been defined. Check, delete, copy company code. Now company code, as I told you, is the node where financial statements can be made. Higher. Okay, higher is not actually complete. Let's say HR, not HR. HR. Let me just 57. HR 57. ASA HR 57. Riyadh SA. Currency will be SAR English, because company code will have its own currency. Save. Country SA. Postal code. Okay. Postal code will have 53720. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Character must be in position 6. Must be in position 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, we're done with this. Next, we will create fiscal year variant from financial accounting, global setting, ledgers, fiscal year, and posting periods. Fiscal year variant, assign company code to fiscal year variant, maintain fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant over here is K4 calendar year, which is January to December, with 12 periods and 4 special periods for adjustments. Adjustments like reconciliation, inventory reconciliation, depreciation, taxation, and so on. Okay. Okay, assign company code to fiscal year variant. Position HR 57, K4, save. Okay, posting periods, define variants. This is also important. New entries, variants HR 57. Save. Assign variants to company code. HR 50, HR 57, HR 57, save. Okay, next step is opening, close, posting periods. I'll use 8842 because it is very relevant. Control Y, Control C, open, close, posting periods. HR 57, new entries. Okay, save, save. Okay, next step is important. General ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, edit chart of accounts list, new entries, HR 57, hire, ASA, maintenance level, English, length of GL account number 5. Assign company code to chart of accounts. HR 57. Okay, we have HR 57, and this is country chart of accounts when we are dealing with country level of chart of accounts. Okay, save. Okay, define account group. Now we will go back to our notepad. This is our account groups. New entries. Okay, some of the numbers are missing. Let me copy from Excel file. On group. Okay, HR 57. Enter. Now we have account groups for every segment. Save. This will be used for financial statements and GL accounts. Save. Now comes the next part, which is controlling account, the controlling area. So we go back, enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. New entries. Controlling area is equal to company code, and company code is 57. This can be principal company. Okay, over here currency type will be 30. Controlling area currency will be USD. Save. Okay, exchange rate type will be M, INT. Save. Okay, we are done. We have covered all of this. Now